You'll often see in my instances and schemas that I have a singular element inside a plural element. So for example, I might have a student element inside a student's element. All the singular elements are children of the plural element. The plural in this case is students with an S, and the singular is student. The plural container, or the plural element, is serving as a container to contain all of the singular elements. And why do I do that? Well, really it's a convenience. It's not a standard of XML. It's not something you have to do. You can do it differently, but I think you might find as you go along that it's a useful convenience. It's mostly useful as you look at the instance. So if I'm in that instance and I see students followed by student, 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 I can just close up students, the plural, and now I've crunched down all those student elements. So if I, for example, above students have class, the class has a title, the class has a time, the class has a room, and the class has a set of students. And that set of students are all contained inside the students element. So I want to see the higher level view of the class. I close up students. Now I see students, and I see time, and I see location, and I see title of the course. So it gives me a nice convenient way of working with that instance. Very, very useful. Also, it's a nice way to organize your schema, so that you see that when you have a set of items that are all similar, that all of those items will be in their own sort of sub-branch of the schema. So it's not a big deal. I wanted to mention it to you because you'll see it a lot. I don't want you to think that it's something that you have to do or that's a standard of XML. It's a standard that I like to use in order to keep things nice and organized.